Good morning, students. So today, again, area needs boundary, chapter number 11 of your NCERT book. Today we will do some different problems. A different problem means with a new formula. Okay, so at first I have written the formula. After that, few examples I have done, and after that, your homework. So let's see what is the first formula. If perimeter of a rectangle is given and length is given, then breadth. That means, what is the meaning of this? This is in the case of a rectangle only, okay? Perimeter is given and length is given. You have to find out the breadth. So breadth formula is this one. Perimeter divided by 2 minus length. So this one you have to remember. So breadth formula again, perimeter by 2 minus length. Next one, if perimeter of a rectangle is given and breadth is given, then length formula. That means in the second case, perimeter and breadth, it is given. You have to find the length. So length formula is perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Okay. So length formula again, perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. So these two formula, this one is for breadth, perimeter by 2 minus length, and this one is for length, perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Both in the case of a rectangle. So these two formula you have to write down in your copy and you have to remember. So let's start with some examples. So first question, as you can see, find the breadth of a rectangle if there are two parts I have done. Number A, perimeter equals to 40 centimeter and length is 12 centimeter. And number B, perimeter is equals to 10 meter and length equals to 3 meter. So perimeter and length is given, you have to find the breadth. So which formula you have to apply? You have to apply the first formula. Breadth equals to perimeter by 2 minus length. This one. So let's do it. So first case, breadth formula, again I have written perimeter by 2 minus length. Your perimeter is 40. So I have written 40 by 2 minus length is 12. And your unit will be cm. So perimeter 40, 40 by 2 minus 12. Now 40 by 2 you can cancel. 2 20s are 40. So this get cancelled. Now it's coming 20. So 20 minus 12 cm in the next step. 20 minus 12 cm. Your answer is 8 cm. That means if perimeter is 40 cm and length is 12 cm, by this formula your breadth is coming 8 cm. Okay, so this is the first one. Now the next one. This is the next one. Again you have to find the breadth. So breadth formula again I have written perimeter by 2 minus length. So in this case perimeter is given 10. So 10 by 2 minus length is 3. The question is given in the previous page, okay? So 10 by 2 means cancel 5. So 5 minus 3. Here the unit is meter. So 5 minus 3 means 2 meter. So if perimeter is 10 meter and length is 3 meter, by this formula your breadth is coming how much? 2 meter. So those two formulas you have to remember. Now the next case. Number 2. Find the length of a rectangle whose number A, perimeter 25 cm and breadth is 7 cm, and number B, perimeter is 9 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So these are two questions, A and B. You have to find the length. So first length formula, you know, perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Okay, so in the first case perimeter 25 and breadth is 7. So write down the values. Perimeter 25 by 2 minus 7 and unit is centimeter. Now you see 25 by 2 you cannot cancel here. So what we're doing, we are taking the LCM. Okay, we are taking the LCM will be 2, and you know this how to do. 25 minus 14, it's coming cm, and 25 minus 14 means it is coming 11 by 2 cm, and 11 by 2, if you divide, it will come 5.5 cm. That means your length is coming 5.5 cm. Okay, here breadth is bigger than the length, so no issue, no problem is there. Okay, now how it is coming 5.5? First, here I have shown the divide how to do. First 5 2s are 10. Okay, so your remainder will come 1. Now after 1, you have to give point and you have to put 1 0. As I have told you earlier, 1 point means only 1 0 we can give. After a point you can give only 1 0. Now 10, again 5 2s are 10. So it is coming 5.5 cm. So next question is, perimeter is 9 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So again same formula. Length formula is perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Now put the value here. So perimeter is 9, 9 by 2 minus breadth. Breadth is 2 meter. Here also you see 9 by 2, we cannot cancel, so we are taking the LCM. So LCM will be 2 and it will be 9 minus 4 by 2 meter. 9 minus 4 means 5 by 2 meter. 5 by 2 meter means 2.5 meter. So how it is coming here? 5 by 2. So if you divide first 2 2s are 4, 1 after subtraction 1, then you have to put point and here 1 0. Now 5 2s are 10. So it is coming 2.5 meter. So these are the two main formulas. Length equals to perimeter by 2 minus breadth, and breadth equals to perimeter by 2 minus length. Okay. Now based on this, I have given your homework. So this is your homework, you have to do it. So what is the question here? Find the length of a rectangle whose, so here 4 questions are there. You have to find the length and whose P for perimeter and B for breadth. So whose perimeter and breadth are given. There are 4 questions. So you have to find out the length. So length formula is perimeter by 2 minus breadth. First you carefully go through the videos and then do this one. And next question is, find the breadth of a rectangle whose this perimeter and length is given. Perimeter 36, length 11 cm, perimeter 40 cm, length 12 cm. And the last 2 questions I have given the length in mixed fraction. So no need to worry, same process. By the LCM, you find out. Third one is perimeter 37 meter and length I have given 10 1 by 2 meter. And last one, perimeter is 13 meter and length 4 1 by 2 meter. So same way, what is the formula for breadth? Perimeter by 2 minus length. So using the same formula, you have to find out. First one is length, next one is breadth. And both this in the case of a rectangle. Okay, so pause the video and do this sum. And the practical homework already I have given. So just do the practical and send to me. I will check it. And one more thing, after this, some more word problems we will give. Now Devashish sir has already done some word problems to find how many tiles are there, like those word problems. Again we will do here. Okay, so those are some lengthy word problems, and those word problems will be the last part of this chapter. After that we will end. Okay, so and also the word problems from NCERT will do that. So basically what is left, the NCERT sum. NCERT only 3 to 4 sums are there, and some more word problems, how to find the number of tiles, then cost of painting the walls, like those word problems we will do. Okay, so in the next video I will give that. So this is the homework, you do it and send to me, I will check. And also the practical, don't forget to do it. Okay, so to up to this much, thank you.